Welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be using up some leftovers to make some twice-baked mac and cheese. So, I've got some leftover mac and cheese here that I have in a couple of IKEA containers. You can click the card in the top corner to see that recipe. Now, mac and cheese as is usually pretty good, even left over a couple of days later, but I think we can make it a little better. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of water in there. And then I'm going to pop the lids back on just loosely. I'll leave them unhinged in the microwave for about 2 minutes or so. Now let's kick that up another notch by adding in some bacon. So I fried up a little bacon here, and then we're just going to give it a nice little rough chop. Now we got those mac and cheeses out of the microwave. Throw some bacon in there, give them a nice little shake. And you see right there, right off the bat, they're quite creamy again. That little bit of extra water and steam really brought the pasta back to life. But why not throw some more cheese on top? And then we're going to pop all that in the oven, just until the cheese comes nice golden brown. There we go. So there we go, a nice twice-baked mac and cheese with bacon. So now we're just going to have to do the taste test on that one. Oh yeah. Even after all that, nice and creamy. Actually kind of hard to tell that it was even leftover mac and cheese once you do the water, the microwave, and the baking it in the oven again. It went down really well for lunch that day. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. And why don't you check out some of these other videos? And we'll see you next time. I'll just be here eating this mac and cheese.